Hello guys and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for August of 2022, which the theme is Hotel Paradise. It says, warm breezes, lush landscapes made your glow. This month, check into a vacay state of mind. Hello, massages and matching mani-pedis. Unwind and go ahead, order room service. And then here we literally do not have any product info. We have your inner itinerary, 4 ways to keep calm and centered no matter where you are. Mindful awareness, slow down and observe yourself without judgment. Reconnect to your routine. Spend time enjoying each step from applying skincare to finishing touches. Unwind with a bath. Soak the stress away with Epsom salts, warm water, and a nice candle. Minimize screen time. It's easy to mindlessly scroll, so create boundaries to enjoy life IRL. That's cool, but I would have liked some info on my products, but oh well. Maybe in the other bag. So in here, first things first, the bag is all silky and satiny. Look at this. And look at the zipper pull. It's so cute. Anyway, so we've got a couple of sheet masks that don't fit the bag. So these are from Patchholic. We have this one that is the Aqua Plus Moisturizing Mask. It's hydrating, beta-glucan, and wonderful hydrating. Why did it say hydrating twice? I'm assuming it's watermelon. It says nothing about it on the back. Yeah, a lot of this looks like it's in Korean, so I don't know. And this one's the Aqua Plus Soothing Mask, Water Glow, Centella Asiatica, and a Standby Piece. So I'm assuming this one must have like cactus juice or something in it, as opposed to watermelon. I don't know. They're confusing packaging, but I suppose I'll find out when I go to use them, or when I take a closer look. So in this bag, we've got from Lovecraft Beauty, a glare gloss in the color Romantic. So I would assume Romantic, and being from this brand, probably like a really dark color, like plummy purple or something. I stand corrected. Why does that look used at the end? Oh god, I am hella concerned. I really hope that's not used. Oh god. Ipsy, it's been a while since we've had that issue, but please tell me this is not used. Oh dearie me. Like, if I go like this, does it go down to the end? Like, maybe it's just gravity? Please? Doesn't really... Well, maybe it is. Okay. Okay, maybe it's just the way it was in travel. Alright. Okay. That looks a bit better. So we're gonna just pretend it did look all funky like that when I got it. And hope for the best whenever I get around to reviewing that one, you know. So, and of course it doesn't want to go back in the little tab slot. There we go. Alright, so we'll stick that over here for now. Next up in the bag, from Dew of the Gods, we have the Fiji Fuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask. Let's see here. Is it another one that's blessed by Buddhist monks? Doesn't mention it. Ah. Ah, well. I'm still excited to have it, so looks like it'll be like that on, so it's all cool anyway. Ooh, what's this? We have a brush by, I think, Firma? Yeah, firmabeauty.com. Where's it open at? I guess it just comes out. Ooh, okay. They're synthetic bristles, but they do feel nice, and they have like a nice snap to them, so no complaints. It's a 204 brush, whatever 204 is from Firma Beauty. It literally does not say. So I suppose I could go to their site and look it up, given that it's like listed on the thing, but I don't think I care that much. I'm probably just going to use it however. Like, knowing me, it'll probably become yet another eyeshadow brush. because they all become eyeshadow brushes. Let's be real, like 90% of my brushes become eyeshadow brushes. Next up, we have from Goldfaden MD, the Solution Detox Hydrating Gel. BHA Skin Balancing Moisturizer. Dr. Goldfaden's Daily Hydrating Gel helps clear skin and minimize the appearance of future breakouts, revealing a clear and radiant looking complexion. The problem is for problematic or congested skin. Everything about me is problematic, so I guess that's correct. Then we have by Pistache Skincare, the Pistachio Oil Pistachio Lip Gloss. So that's gotta be a first. I don't think I've ever had a pistachio lip gloss before. And it does have pistachio seed oil in it. Okay. Is it sealed? No, it's not. Does it smell like anything? Is there anything in here other than air? Hello? Anything? Anywhere? It is not seeming too promising. Did I get an empty tube? Sounds like there's something in there somewhere. But boy, oh, okay, there it is, there it is. Doesn't really smell like much anything, but it's like very watery looking. But wow, that is disappointing. Like, that is not much product. 0.17 ounces bullshit. There is no way in fuck there's 0.17 ounces in that. There's no way in hell. No way in hell. You saw. It was air. I got to maybe about here. There was like a little bit of product. Don't lie to me like that. And then the last product is by Jasmine Beauty, and it's their Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. I assume this is probably a sample size, but I mean, it's also decently sized, so maybe, I don't know. I would have to look them up. But yeah, so I've never heard of that brand before, but it sounds cool anyway. So let's see what's in the other bag. We've got more sheet masks. Oh, same two. Same two. I'm smelling mint somewhere in this one. Does this one have product info? It does! Okay, Patchholic Aqua Plus Moisturizing and Aqua Plus Soothing Mask Duo. Full size, $3.80 each. Bring the spa vibes home with these Korean beauty masks. See, I told you it looked like Korean writing. One for moisturizing and the other for soothing. This mask duo is everything you need to help revitalize your skin. Tip: after removing the mask, press in any remaining product. No shit. Okay, what do we got in the bag itself? We have another Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. Okay, this is a deluxe sample. Full size is $24. Falsy-like length without the hassle? Sign us up. The wand has a thicker brush base that evenly combs through lashes for a clump-free finish, plus a tapered tip to grab those small, hard-to-reach corners. Tip: add 2 coats for extreme length. Okay. Next. Ooh, maybe this is where I'm smelling it. Yeah. Okay, so this is by Brio Geo Hair Care, and it's the Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I want to say I just got this in another beauty box, and that's why I was like, I know the smell. But anyway, this is deluxe sample size. Full size is $42. Even your scalp needs exfoliation. This shampoo helps to deep cleanse your hair and scalp while removing dandruff, dirt, and impurities. A clean and healthy scalp is the best environment for strong, healthy, bouncy hair. Tip: use a scalp scrubber for extra exfoliation. Already ahead of you, buddy. Then we have... Is this what... No, it's Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Hydrating Eye Cream. Oh! And it also looks disturbingly empty and feels disturbingly light. Claims 0.17 ounces again. Again, bullshit. There's no way. There's no way. Don't lie. Full size is $30. This fast-absorbing eye refresher goes on smoothly and helps to even out your under-eye skin. A potent moisturizing fluid that helps to diminish visible signs of aging around the eyes. This formula harnesses the power of pistachio oil to help hydrate and refresh. Tip, gently roll a cool jade roller under the eyes to depuff the under eye area before applying. Again, already ahead of ya. And the last item is from Ariza, and this is their Glow Up Lip Balm in Vanilla Dew. Okay, I'm at least excited about this. So this is full size, and it's $16. Your softest lips ever are one swipe away. This simple yet super effective balm treats parched lips with the intense hydration they need. It's all thanks to a trio of super moisturizers that provide maximum relief to dry, chapped lips. Tip, use it as a primer under your lipstick to create a smooth, soft base for color. Well, I do that, and then the lipstick doesn't stay, so I usually choose not to do that. But anyway, that's what I got in my August Ipsy Glam bags, just the base level ones, so for the most part, pretty decent stuff. A couple of disappointing ones, but mostly good stuff. So anyway, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know. What did you get in your August glam bag? Let me know that too, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.